Hi friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is AI tutorials for absolute beginners. In today's episode, we are going to learn the concept of what is machine learning. Very important, especially when you want to work on a large learning models or any AI learning model. You have to understand some of the basic things, which one of which is what is machine learning. Let's get started. All right. So what exactly is machine learning? Machine learning, in short, you can say that it's a subset of AI that enables systems to learn patterns from data. And those patterns, that learning helps in making the predictions or decisions without explicit programming, which also uses statistical models and algorithms to analyze and generalize from examples. These are some of the core to applications like engines, predictive analysis, spam filters, fraud detection, click frauds, etc. So in short, you can say that the model would learn from the patterns, extract the patterns from this data. Now the data can be structured or it can be unstructured data in the form of say PDF, flat files, text, etc. What are some of the core features of machine learning? It's data driven, obviously. It learns directly from the historical data that we provide. And in context of large models and large AI models, the data is huge. When I say huge, it goes into terabytes. Adaptive models. These models helps in improving the accuracy over time with more input. So you pass an input, it will give you an output, but it will keep learning based on the outputs that it is getting. That's what we call it as adaptive models. There are three types of machine learning types. In short, you can say one is supervised, one is unsupervised learning, and the third is reinforcement learning. These are the three machine learning types that are used in modern AI models. Now, it has the predictive power, which means that it can anticipate the outcome from unseen data. So, like I said, you can do predictions, forecasting, all of that based on the data sets we have. Automation of insights, you can find hidden trends automatically through these insights, through these patterns that are found in the data. Remember, important thing from this is there are three types of machine learning types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Now, what are some of the use cases for machine learning? You can use it for fraud detection in finance, recommendation systems on Amazon, Netflix, etc. You can check for the medical diagnosis from patient data history. You can use it for sales prediction, forecasting, churn prediction, etc. What are some of the benefits? Benefits are it's smarter, faster making decision making. It's continuously self-improving, which means that it will learn and improve from the data that's being provided. It is costly in terms of the energy, the data power it requires, but at the end, it can help and save a lot of time. It is used for enhancing personalization and accuracy. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. I'll continue to bring this short mini formats for you to learn AI with me. Stay tuned. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my videos and channel. Thanks again for supporting me and my channel. Thank you.